You see, this is what Moses is saying here. This kind of teaching has to do with a relationship that imparts something in you. It imparts a change in you. And so here is what Moses is dealing with, because the wisdom that is taught by God only, that's when we use the term impartation. Paul used this in the book of Romans. Impartation. Impartation in the Greek is metadidomi. Meta means to change or to transform or to modify, and didomi means to give. So whenever there is a impartation, a metadidomi, it's creating a change in your life. It's creating something different. You're being modified. And Moses understood that this kind of wisdom only comes from a divine impartation that can change us, that would give us the wisdom to move forward and to be able to triage life the way it should be triaged. See, in the medical field, we use the term triage. Why? Because you have to triage a patient to see what is wrong, how severely bad they're injured, and that would help you determine what decision you will make next to provide treatment. Well, when you're talking about triaging life with wisdom, it's the same way, because you have to triage every decision you make. But without godly wisdom, sometimes those decisions end up hurting you more than they help you.